Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Champagne S3. Now guys, if you have a Volkswagen or Audi and the key fob battery has died on you, do not fret, do not panic. I have a simple solution that you guys can do at home and no need to head to the dealership. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and once again, welcome to another episode of QuickFix. Let's get into that video right now. Alright guys, so let's get started. So of course, you're going to need your key fob. Tools you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver and of course your new battery. So obviously we're going to have to open this up, and going to need obviously the proper size battery, which is a 3V battery. So first and foremost, this key fob is very common on many Volkswagen and Audi models. So this method to swap this out will apply to many vehicles. So first and foremost, let's press the button and open up the key, and there's going to be a little slot there with a tab. Now we're going to use our flathead screwdriver just to kind of push it up and get that tab free. Just like that. That's all we really need. And on the other end, we're just going to get our flathead and kind of pry up at the back. Now that it's this way, we can actually just pull it right off by hand and we have access to the battery. Now there's a few ways to get this battery out. Sometimes a few hard taps on your palm is enough to free this out. Now if it is a bit more stubborn, you guys take a closer look. There's a little slot in here that is enough to fit a thin flathead. So what we're going to do, I got one on me right now. We're just going to put it in the slot and push this way, and it'll be able to free it out just like that. Last step is obviously you put in the new battery, push it in, and then we can just put our cover back on. And that's it, you're done. I'm hoping you guys found that video useful, and if you did, you were able to complete this on your own and save a little bit of cash. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel, hit that like button, and check out more of my quick fixes and other in-depth DIYs. I'll probably link it up here somewhere. If you guys have any suggestions on things you would like to see, hit me up in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. And thanks again for joining in. As always, catch you guys on the next one.